Hello everyone, we're going to be making chocolate coffee cookies today. So in this bowl I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is 3/4 cup of cocoa powder and 1/2 cup of instant coffee. I'm whisking this together and I'm going to put it to the side. In a larger bowl I have 1 cup of unsalted butter that was softened room temperature, 3/4 cup of light brown sugar that's been packed, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and I'm going to go ahead and cream this together. I'm adding in 2 eggs and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to slowly stir in about a cup at a time, and you want to watch it because of the powder. It will go everywhere. In fact, I'm even going to kind of get it going with my mixer before I turn it on. I'm adding 1 cup of chopped walnuts. This is optional, or you could change the nut if you wanted to, like pecans or something else. And I'm going to stir this in by hand. I'm going to cover this with saran wrap and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. You can put it in longer if you wanted. You could even put it in overnight if you wanted to. I've taken the dough out of the refrigerator. My oven is preheated to 375 and I have 2 baking sheets lined with parchment paper. I went ahead and I rolled in my hands a large rounded tablespoon of the dough. And I'm going to go ahead and place that on the cookie sheet. Now while I'm waiting for the cookies to bake, I'm going to go ahead and cover it back up with saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator while they're baking. You're going to bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. You want the tops to have a cracked look on them, and then you're going to leave them on the pan for 5 minutes and remove them to a cooling rack. Altogether, this made 3.5 dozen cookies. I hope you guys liked my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.